Evening, all the participants. Thank you so much for joining the webinar. And like Mr. Ashok mentioned, I am Mohan this side. I take care of the frozen bottle expansion for the Pan India expansion. And today, our reach is spread in more than 156 plus outlets to be precise. All right. To start with, frozen bottle is 100% pure ice cream, 100% veg, and a desert destination brand. A one-stop solution for all your desert requirements. So, on behalf of Frozen Bottle, would like to welcome you all to the family, and I am glad to be a part of this webinar. So one request from all of you is I request your active participation, because the more you participate, the more question you ask. It is good for us to answer that and to transform this crisis into opportunity. Let us have fun, and also request you to avoid distractions, because the minute we are distracted, we miss out on important information. So my humble request is to keep the phone on silent mode. So the agenda for the day is I would be going ahead with the history of the brand, that is our beginning, our growth, our vision, mission, and values, business spread, our way ahead, what are the steps to franchisee, and what are the support functions that we offer to our franchisee seekers, operational support, and our services. And at the last, we will do a question and answer session. So, like I mentioned, I am sure those who all are present today are considering this as an opportunity, not as a crisis. And that is the reason all of you are here. So, like my introduction was given, I would also want your details, like your name, which city you're calling from, your contact number and email ID, to be sent through chat section, so that we can contact you with the specified offer and proceedings. So if you ask our success story, our story started when our founder, Mr. Pranshul Yadav ji, and Mr. Arun Suvarna sir, they came up with the concept of something new apart from ice cream, that is the desert venture. And then what they did is they hired a professional baker who who was formalizing all the recipes. And then they ideated that we will have to provide something unique, something Western, something that is a weakness for a 6-year-old to a 60-year-old young man. And that is how we came up with frozen bottle. We did a lot of research and development, and after a lot of tasting centers, we came up with this concept of providing the dessert in a bottle form, and hence the name frozen bottle. Dear friends, like I mentioned, our head office is in Bangalore, and in a span of 4 years, we have spread in more than 25 plus cities. And like everyone has reiterated, I don't want to reiterate the point, but yes, we are proud to say we are present in 156 plus outlets. And the trade company name is Munchbox, headquarters in Bangalore. The brand is Frozen Bottle. And these are the pillars of our company: Mr. Pranshul Yadav ji, who is the founder and CEO, and Mr. Arun Suvarna ji, who is the founder of the brand. If you see, we take a huge pride in talking about our directors, because they have a huge expertise. They are professional. They also come up with MBA from a very reputed college. He has rich experience into automobile industry and then into food and beverages. And because of him, many big brands have reached where they have reached in Bangalore. If you see, Creamstone is #1 in Bangalore is because of Pranshul ji. On the other end, if you speak about Arun Suvarna sir, He has been doing a lot of real estate venture. He's done more than 100 crores of business into real estate transactions. He's been present with Sevens by Dhoni, Casio, Tag Heuer, Skechers. So the list goes endless. And this is how we have been successful over the period of 4 years. So this is our company and this is our brand. So every company will have a vision, mission, and values. So did we. So our vision is to be the best desert destination for now and forever. And that is the reason we constantly transform, we constantly do a lot of research and development. We enhance our products and we ensure that all the customer segments are taken care of, right from the one who are less spenders, who are medium spenders, or who are maximum spenders. We have products for everyone. Our mission is to rejuvenating every taste bud with our finest exquisite range of desserts, because we are not only serving desserts, we are serving memories. And our value statement, this value holds good with both our employees and also with our future franchise partners in the form of you. We believe in honesty and integrity. We are truthful to our customers and to our employees. We take responsibility. We do for both profits and for people. And we believe in complete transparency. And this is a customer centric brand, because we believe only if our customers are hygiene, if our customers are healthy, and if they like our tastes, we can survive in the market. Else it is very difficult for any brand to survive in the market. And this was our first outlet, which was launched in Koramangala. And you will be surprised, most of these employees are there with us even today. And this is how we celebrate. We celebrate our success because your success is our success. Our presence, like was discussed, we are planning for more than 1000 plus brands. To break it in a proper manner, we are planning to target 400 outlets every year. And how do we plan to operate? We have company owned outlets. We also provide franchisee owned and franchisee operated outlets. And we have our presence everywhere, right from south, north, east, and west. Everywhere we have our presence. So these are some of our models, like kiosk models we do. We also do a standalone model, so that you will just have a idea as to how our outlet looks. So it is very neat, well polished, the spaces are well taken care of. It is occupied, everything is occupied, neat, decked up, and with all the latest interiors that we operate, such that we are there with the modern trend also. And in a nutshell, though we had this pandemic situation last year, so what we did is we just thought whether it is a crisis or opportunity. But like everybody, even we think it is an opportunity. So we collaborated with many big brands like Red Bull, ITC, Pure Ensure, to name a few. So this was our first menu. As when we started, we were more into like a choco indulgence, milkshakes, some modern twist with like a kiddie special candies, fruit medleys, and stuff like that. And trust me, even with this, we were doing amazingly well. And today, if you see, we have more than 126 plus products. So today I have seen a lot of brands. For waffles, they have a different brand. So what we have done is we have included all these waffles, ice cream stone, cake jars, premium cake jars, thick shakes, fruit medleys, choco indulgence. So you name it, we have all of the offerings, right from scoops, then beverages, mocktails. So we provide all of these so that our customers are happy at the end of the day. And dear friends, before I proceed further, do you have any questions for me, or you feel my pace is fast? I will slow down. So I would like to hear something from you.
Okay, Mr. Mohan. Yes, Mr. Mohan, please continue.
Okay. So before that, I have a question. I have a quick question. So if I have to ask, why are you people here? या फिर मैं ये पूछूं कि आप यहाँ आए किस लिए? तो आप सब बोलोगे कि आपने बुलाया इसलिए, right? Let us have some fun activity here. So आप यहाँ आए इसलिए क्योंकि आप जहाँ होना चाहिए वहाँ नहीं हो. You're not where you want to be. For example, there is a difference between what you are and what I can be. So this is the gap that Frozen Bottle has to fill. We will transform majority of you from being an employee to an
Mr. Mohan,
employer.
I think we have one question, Mr. Prashant.
Yes, Mr. Prashant.
Yes, Mr. Prashant. Please unmute from your side.
Mr. Prashant, I'm sorry, I cannot hear you.
Okay, Mr. Mohan, please continue. Thank you.
Okay. So when it comes to franchise proposition, how does we start is a very simple process. We have a franchisee opening process. First is we will meet through various forums like webinars and other forums. And then we will discuss the offerings. And once the offerings are discussed, once you are okay with the commercials and our business model, you do something called as letter of intent or letter of allocation. So during letter of allocation, we block your offer. We also block the location by collecting a deposit or a token amount. And post that in the back end, you can scout some locations and send us the pics, images, and everything. Our team will also do their due diligence and get back to you by saying if that location is ideal. Once that location is ideal, we will be signing an agreement between both the parties with the remaining payment being cleared. And post that, we provide that to our various operations team and then to the HR team for any kind of a staff recruitment and stuff. And then our contract work starts with the NOC and outlet opening. So it is a very simple and easy process. Okay. And what are the support that we are offering? Like I mentioned, we help you with site analysis, assistance with respect to finalizing your location. We provide you architectural support, in-depth training support, provision for opening a team with respect to SOPs. We provide you the manuals. We also do mystery audits and surveys. We do a lot of consulting and coaching to the existing outlets to ensure that they are profitable. We also help you with the complete supply chain guidance and central marketing team support. And are these support sufficient? This is what most of them ask. So what we do is not only that, we ensure we provide you operation support, MIS, any other safety related inquiries, food safety related inquiries, projects, HR and training support, research and development, because we keep doing constant research on the brand, on the product offering, on the menu, so that we are we are with the trend and we provide what is being demanded by the customers. And these are some of our in-store collaterals that we provided to you, which you can have it in the store. And these are some of the marketing collaterals. For example, if you're coming up with outlets and you want these collaterals, we provide you with all these support functions. So right from Chennai to Kanyakumari, I'm sorry, Chennai to Srinagar, we have outlets. Kanyakumari came into my mind is because we are literally looking for an outlet in Kanyakumari, so that we can say from Kashmir to Kanyakumari we have outlets, and that will definitely happen shortly. So why partner with us is what the question is, right? So apart from what you are reading here, I would also like to reiterate why you have to partner with us is we are 100% veg, no artificial flavors. We are the first brand to launch the jar concepts in India. Cake jars was discovered by us. We have more than 126 plus products catering to all customer segments. And this is as per the market trends. We have the taste uniformity. And our content is not like too much of like icy content. It is frozen kind of an opportunity where even the bacteria, we are killing them because we are doing it in -5 degrees. So we also take care of your hygiene. Unlike other brands, we do not offer you anything with respect to Tetra Pak. There are no chemicals into it, no preservatives. So keeping all these in mind, we provide you automated support, we provide you software support, we provide to end-to-end solution with respect to setting up the outlets, maintenance support, and equipment. Apart from the one that is listed here, like it is definitely a high revenue stream, national presence, state of the art, research and development, operational efficiency, automated backend support, capability for expansion. So keeping having all of these advantages, having all of these unique proposition, we see this is the reason as to why we have grown so fast. This is the reason even COVID is not able to stop us, and this is the reason why we want you to be a part of our brand. Okay. So with respect to staff management, like I mentioned, we provide you support in staff recruitment, training, induction, and if you need any replacement of staffs, because we don't let go our staffs very easily. So we also try to do some kind of a replacement if necessary. So we will provide you our support in complete journey of yours. And when you are getting all these advantage from us, what are we looking for when it comes to our franchisee partners or franchisee seekers or franchisee business partners? We are looking for somebody who is passionate, somebody who has a little bit of business ideas or business sense, ethical, credible person, and experienced person. Friends, a brand is like a kid. A brand is like a kid. A brand, when we are giving it to a franchisee model, which means we are the parent is giving its kid to a person who takes care of the brand, who nourishes the brand, and who ensures there is a proper nourishment, proper growth, and profit. A win-win situation. So that is why we look for all of these with respect to giving the franchisee model. And this seems to be very important for me, considering the current situation because of COVID. Even otherwise, what we do is we take care of all the food licenses. We ensure that our product meets or exceeds our own internal standards, and also it meets all the FSSAI standards, right from the products, right from the way it is provided, right from the way we procure it. Each and every thing we have a checklist and we follow it diligently. And why do we do all of these, friends? Is for a simple reason, because if you grow, we grow. Your growth is our success. And so far, if most of us do not have an outlet or a business opportunity or a business proposition, I would always say it is always better to start with one instead of having none. So this is all I have to present. If you have any questions, please go ahead.